What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, Damon's 3D Prints. I'm Damon, where I show you all my 3D printing projects. I know you've seen the thumbnail. Let me show you how I made this Deadpool helmet. Nat. So I got the files from Nico Industries. And if you haven't seen their website, they got a lot of fun models, a lot of free models. So definitely go check them out. Now this is a very simple helmet to make. It only requires very simple material. Let me show you. So I printed the files on my Century Carbon by Elegoo. It just made sense to go ahead and just use red filament since majority of the helmet's already red. As you can see for yourself, the files came out pretty good. For the overall helmet, I printed it in 5 parts. So the main important thing about this helmet is making sure you have your head size right. Once you have your head sized up, you are good to go. For this helmet, I didn't do any post-processing. Magnets, magnets, magnets. You are going to need lots and lots of magnets. So I used a hot glue gun, but after wearing it and taking off multiple times, some of that glue wound up coming off. So I just switched up to super glue. I wind up getting this mesh from Amazon. Just ordered it. I mean, I didn't feel like printing off at the time. I just had extra, so I just used this. If you don't have this, you could 3D print some eye mesh with white filament, or you can use an old t-shirt or even old socks. They both still work. In addition to Deadpool's regular eyes with the helmet, it also came with additional swap out eyes. After a ton of super glue and hot glue, just like that, the helmet's done. The only thing left to do is put it on. And also do your best Ryan Reynolds impression. Yeah, super cool. Again, make sure that your head is the right size. You know, it could be a really snug fit, but if it's the perfect size, you'll have more fun with it. If you like this build, follow for more.